Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make money with TikTok. Do you know that you can make money with TikTok? On different social media like TikTok, Facebook and others, you can be able to make money by using different tricks. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can be able to make money with TikTok. TikTok is one of the social media platforms which are having many audience day per day, and you can profit from this platform and be able to make money on this platform. Without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see, now I have opened my TikTok, and also if I'm trying to be open the TikTok on my computer, I can see that I'm gonna be getting different videos. You can see I'm gonna be getting different videos. You can see different trailers, different trends, but you're not aware of this trick, how can be able to make money with this platform. For instance, you can see this person is having a lot of views. You can see 37.5 thousand people who have viewed his video, and also you can be able to benefit from this platform if you are having an account, or if you don't even have account, you can be able to use this trick and be able also to make money on TikTok. So now the trick is about this. You have to use different freelancer platform. As you can see, I'm going to my freelancer platform here. Now I'm on Upwork. If you can see me on Upwork, you can see I have to click on find work. What you need to do first, you need to create an account on Upwork as a freelancer platform. If you don't have one, also create one. If you have one, log into your account, your Upwork account. And also what you have to do, we have to look for the section which is called find works. As you can see, I have find work here. I'm gonna create it there, so I want to click it. So once I click it, it's gonna be directing me to the search portal where I can be able to search different kind of jobs available on this platform. What I'm going to do is to try to be completing my profile. You can see my profile is completed 100%. And also you need to complete it so that it will be the one which is having all the details, the features and others. And also you see I'm having the connects, and also the connects, what I'm going to be explaining to you is that connects are like tokens which allows you to apply for the given jobs on Upwork. Here also there is a badge available, availability badge. There is a boost your profile badge, so boost your profile. So now if you need to be showing that you are available, also you need to edit this one. And also once you click on edit, and they are also turn on availability badge, that means those people, those employers who are going to be hiring through Upwork will be coming and also see that you are available. They can be able to hire you. So now to be able to make money on TikTok, you can even, for instance, type TikTok. After typing TikTok, there I'm gonna search. And as you can see, after searching, for instance, in this 9 minutes ago, you can see social media partner, video editor, Instagram and TikTok. This person is verified, so that's the first thing you have to check as well, to see if someone is verified, to ensure that for sure he will be paying money or you or not. And also you can see this person has spent 200 plus USD. And also if you see these hourly intermediate payments, more than 6 months, you will be working 30 plus hours a week. And now, for instance, you can see now no payment, 50 of the profit. So you can come here and see on camera TikTok content creator. If you are TikTok content creator, you can see those are the many opportunities you have here. For instance, you see this one has spent 1000 USD, which means this person is a serious. Also, if you apply for this job, you can be able to get this opportunity. if you are for sure a content creator who can be able to create a different content and provide different content to them. And also this is the Hawari. It's a these are 3 USD 3 to 8 USD intermediate. These are also much money. If you can be able to make a 3 to 8 USD per hour, that's a much money. So if you are ready to go to camera and create a different TikTok content, also it's up to you. Now let me come and show you how you can be applying for these jobs if it's your first time to use this platform, Upwork. And also if you don't have, also if you are having any confusions about using this Upwork, also I'm gonna be showing you different procedures for application and how you can be applying and winning these positions. So we shall do more videos, detailed videos telling you how you can be also understanding more with different freelancing platform. Keep in touch using Nomax TV. Also remember to like and subscribe. So now if we continue, you can see we have share screens fast story. These are also one if you're gonna be sharing on TikTok. And also let's go and find another TikTok. So TikTok influencer research, or this person has not spent an amount, it's okay, but you can try apply and also see if you can win these posts. You don't have to worry, because once you start your job or once you win your job here, the money are going to be in escrow account, and also this is going to be hard for you to work protectively without having any interruption and disruptions that you not have your money. There's also TikTok shop product listing optimization for reading supplemental brand. This, or you can see this person has spent 10k USD plus 10k USD, and it's still gonna be getting you 40 USD. Now this is a much amount of money that you can be also able to make online. So it's so much passive income, and also it's work from home jobs you can do and also be able to make such amount of money. Now let's try to apply for Simple. Let's try to apply for this one. Okay, we have this on the camera TikTok content creator, and that's so you're gonna be making a between 3 and 8 USD per hour. Now what we do is to click on this title, which is the title for the job, which is advertised. And also you can see my available connects is 85. It's still showing everywhere. That also it is showing me that the application is gonna be costing 16 connects like tokens, and also you're gonna be getting 10 tokens per month, 10 free tokens per month. But also you can be able to extend, you can be able to extend and get more tokens. You can see also these have 4.98 reviews. Of 2 reviews he has received. And also now you can see intermediate. I'm looking for a mix of experience and value ongoing projects. They are also showing everything, the skills you should have. Now you can see last viewed by clients 5 minutes ago, proposals less than 5 minutes. Yes, he wants proposals which are less than 5. Also he has interviewed for people, he has sent for 57 invites, and also 37 are already not answered. So what I need to do is, you can see now this person is wanting someone from worldwide. It's a global. You don't have any country or regional limitation, so you can be starting and applying for this job. Now what I need to do is to select my profiles here, because I have different profiles on Upwork. So what I need to do, I need to select the one I use. Let's see if I'm gonna be using SEO friendly, or now I'm gonna use SEO. It depends on your profiles that you're having, because I'm not having the one which is TikTok reserved, but also SEO is one of promoting those stuff on social media and other platforms, websites and others, so and other contents. Also now after selecting this one, I have to scroll down. You can see the same as now the amount of money I see displaying here. You can see feature job. Now what you do is to come here below, and you should now show your hourly rate. The current budget is 3 and 8, between 3 and 8, but for my profile is 15. So you should also display your hourly rate that you are willing to work for within this contract. So for instance, you can say, because he has displayed for between 3 and 8, I can change to 5, and also I will be receiving 4.5 because they are going to be charging 10 commission for freelancer service, as they are also having protected my money, also connected me with the client. So there are so much stuff. Now, how often do you want to rate increase? So now you can be wanting to increase your rate between after 3 months, every 3 months. Now you want to increase it to this, you want to increase from this now. Also, how much increase do you need? Also, let's say it's 10% increase, or you can say it's a 15% increase every 3 months, or you can say every 6 months I want to increase this one. Also, every 12 months you can see the money now I'm gonna be getting is this one. So once you're done this, you need to apply for this. Here is your cover letter. Make sure that you do cover letter which is also professional and having everything including your skills. You don't need to submit a degree, you don't need to submit more stuff. What you need is only if you have you have worked on different TikTok project, or if you have your TikTok account, you can screenshot it and attach it here. But also remember to write a cover letter which is describing your experience, your applications, your interest in terms of applying to this job you are gonna be doing. Also remember to read the full detail of the job, the application, and also submit it. Once you're done, submit it, and also you can see they are gonna be costing 16 connect. And also once you have already submitted your application, you need to wait for the client, or if the employer is interested in your application or have been enjoyed your application. Also, he will be reaching out to you for further processes, maybe interviews, or maybe starting of the job. Also, mostly he will be reaching out to you for the interviews. Thank you for watching this video. This is how you can be making money with TikTok. And also, once you made the money, you will be getting your money through Upwork, and so once you get paid, it's gonna be coming to your account. So thank you. Remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel CV. If you have any questions, suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Remember to turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.